Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is creating new files and templates. In this video we will learn how can we create a file and open a new template in Microsoft PowerPoint. So there are different ways to create a new file. First we will go to the file menu, then click on new. Now click on this. So you can see here we have a new file, and we can also use the shortcut from quick access toolbar. And if you don't have here, so click on this drop down menu. Now check mark it. So you can see here a shortcut. Another way is we can also use the shortcut key Ctrl+N from keyboard. Now we will see how can we open a template. So click on file, then click on new. So here you will find many made up templates, you can see that, and you can also search for online templates from here. And here you can see some categories of templates like education, business, etc, etc. So which template you want, so you can select from here. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.